cannot take your place. They cannot take your space. It's a fact I cannot erase. Ooh, Lord. Ooh, Lord. Ooh, you are brighter than the moon, brighter than the star. I love you just the way you are.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're definitely welcome. I am Mareisa, and in today's video I'll be doing a yard cleaning video, right? So what I'm going to do, I have some tomato trees that I had to pluck out. Well, the grass already cut, already trimmed the grass, and I have some cleaning to do between the banana trees, and I have some grass to burn and some sweeping to do. So why not create a video, right? If you're new here, subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, press the post notification bell next to it so you can get notified each time I upload a new video. Without further ado, let's get right into this cleaning video, right? Yeah. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to replant my tomato. These are some tomato trees that I planted and they were running wild. But the problem with them is that they were growing like the bus, and although they can use, I'll be replanting them in my garden because I'll be start doing back like gardening and so on. And this is how they are looking. So I'm going to put folders and I'm going to reset them, and I might do some videos like how I plant up my garden, like my vegetables and all of that. So I'm gonna pull up everything, all the tomato trees, and just pluck the tomatoes, right? So that's the first thing we're gonna do like now. What I'll be doing now is I'll be trimming the banana trees, like the dry leaves on them, and I'll be cleaning like between all the dry leaves that drop. I'll be cleaning out the whole area and I'll be throwing it on the dump so that it can burn. Easy to cut because they are dry, and I try to cut off like as much as possible. We have a banana tree here, and after you pick the bananas off the tree, you're supposed to cut it down. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut down this banana tree. affect like the rest stuff on them, so you have to cut them down. And I'll be putting this on the dump as well, right?